If you searched how to buy shares of Enterprise Products Partners LP, this video will walk you through the process. Enterprise Products Partners LP is a midstream energy firm listed on NASDAQ under the ticker EPD, and this guide is educational, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker EPD to find the listing. Select the result that matches Enterprise Products Partners LP to ensure you have the right asset. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent moves. Confirm the company name and ticker to make sure it is the correct security. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order will be executed when the market reopens. If your available balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the order can be confirmed. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed. Find the link in the description if you want to explore eToro as the example platform.